What's up, King and Queens? I'm back with another video. It's your girl Dionnie, and as you can see again, I am in the kitchen. And today, yeah, so I won't get copyright. Turn it down a little bit. Turn my Nikki down, baby. And today, guys, okay, so I will be making the best chicken sandwich I ever made. So let's get into it, guys. Excuse me. Guys, Malia, say what's up to my vlog. She's behind the camera. Let's go. All right, so let's get started with this chicken. Okay, this chicken sandwich, like I said, it's gonna be the best I ever made. Put them gloves on, even though it's for my family. I don't really need no gloves, but to put some gloves. Alright, so I have my chicken here, guys. This is the chicken I marinated earlier. Good. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm gonna put the seasoning in the description below. What I use to season up my chicken, it's gonna be in the description. So let's get it started. Also, we're gonna put bacon on the chicken sandwich. Some want bacon, some probably don't want bacon on their chicken sandwich. But Malia and her father, they want bacon on their chicken sandwich. You want bacon on your chicken sandwich? No. Okay, sir. Alright, so we're gonna do the bacon. I got my water. I'm hitting my water.
My pot.
My oil.
Oh.
The oil. Okay, so we're getting the oil ready. And let's do the bacon first. Should we do the bacon first?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do the bacon first.
Can I do it?
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, sure. So we're going to do the bacon first. Let me cut it open for you. We're going to do the bacon first. And then we're going to, and this is a bulky bacon. It's like two-sided because I buy most of my stuff from BJ's. Alright, so let's cut this bacon open. And Malia's going to just open it up. Everybody like bacon in the house.
Yeah, I kind of like mine half raw.
Yeah, like your dad. I like mine fully cooked. It has to be cooked. All right, so since Malia's going to do the bacon, get your gloves. Get your gloves on, girlfriend. And guys, here's the bacon. Yummy. Oh, we also have our lettuce that we're going to put in to the chicken sandwich. We also have tomatoes to put on there. In the meanwhile, what I'm gonna do is get the flour ready. Okay, so flour. Pour a little bit of flour in here. I don't need all that flour. I don't want too much flour, guys. You don't need all that. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the fish fry batter in here. I don't have no more chicken, so I'm gonna use the fish fry batter. What they call it? Yeah. The breading mix. That's what it's called. Breading mix. Come on, batter. It's the breading mix. All right, just a tab of that. Oh, let me also get my seasoning. So I'm gonna add a little paprika to the flour. A little bit of cayenne. Give it a little spice and kick. It does. And some black pepper.
Can I mix it with my hands?
You can.
I like to be messy.
Yeah, she does. So she can mix it up. Mix that in there. Yes, you could take the bacon over. She's gonna add the bacon over there. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? You hear that sizzle, guys? All right. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna get the milk. Ready. I'm gonna crack one egg in there. Get that egg on. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and whisk. You wanna see it? I'm just gonna whisk that up. Mix that up, guys. Just keep mixing. It's all in the wrist, okay? All in the wrist. You mix that up. There you go. Alright, first chicken gonna go in here. It's the first chicken. I'm gonna down in here like this. Just soak it in the water, the milk. Then I put it in the flour. Spread that around a little bit. Let's see if the hot oil. Take the plate over there by you so you don't have to. Okay, the oil look like it's ready. See if the oil ready a little bit. Yeah, that oil cooking. I'm gonna put the first chicken in.
Where am I gonna put it?
You can put it anywhere. So now we're gonna just put in the first chicken to fry. Get that going. Malia's still working on her. Ooh, that chicken's gonna fry, y'all. That's one down. Go back and get the other. Put it in the fry pan. Amazing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be taking out the first chicken. See that? It's golden brown, baby. That is golden brown. Look at that. Nice. Just put it over here. Let that soak in. Check out the next one. Everything looking good. Everything looking nice. Okay, go ahead and take this one out as well. Put that over there. Alright, so it's that big boy. Put that big boy in there. And guys, just to let you know, while you're frying these chicken breasts, make sure you fry them on, make sure you fry them 3 minutes on each side, or 4 to 3 minutes on each side. It's up to you how you like your chicken to look. Yes, 3 to 4 minutes on each side for me. And these are the babies so far. They looking good, little nuggets. If they want little nuggets to go with it. So, did some onions with the sandwich. She's frying some fries. Good. She in this. You like cook, Malia? Do Malia like to cook?
I don't like to cook, but I like to eat it.
Yeah, but you're doing it today because you like to eat. Gotta teach them. Gotta teach them. Get them in the kitchen early, guys. Dip it. You look nasty.
Y'all, the only sauce I like is barbecue, honey mustard, ketchup, and mayo mixed together.
Put a dipping sauce. How does that taste? Tell me how it tastes. You don't like it? Tell me. She dancing. So you like it or no? It's good, right? She like it. So I know her dad gonna love it. If she like it, her dad gonna love it. Alright. So I don't know which the best one we should pick. Some of them kind of a little burnt, guys, but it's okay. Alright, let's go with this one. It's nice and crispy. So we're gonna add that on there. Excuse me. Put some cheese on there for that. I should have put the cheese on there. I should have put the cheese on there when it was coming out the stove, out the frying pan, so it could have melted on there. But that's okay. We're gonna work with it. It's gonna still taste delicious. All right. All right. So he wanted some onions. So let me get the little bit of onions and put on there as well.
Ooh, I don't like onions.
Yeah.
Nasty.
All right. So I cook some of them onions. Keep it on there. He like onions. Smother that thing up with some onions. So far, we done added the tomatoes, the onions, now the lettuce. It's gonna be a fat burger. Okay, it's gonna be a very fat burger. This is Malia's. She already got her fries and everything. Oh, she's not finished with it. And she put fries under her. You want to show you put fries under yours? Alright. I want to cut it in half, babe. So I could show the family the burger, my delicious burger. Or you want to bite it?
No, go ahead. I can't bite it like that.
You don't care, but it's too big. It's big. I told you guys it's huge. It is literally huge. So I'm going to cut in between there.
Perfect timing. That's my perfect
Yeah, it's perfect timing for real. The inside of the sandwich, guys. Alright, try it out, baby. I hear the crunch. You hear the crunch. Get that in there. Get that in there.
Crispy.
Crispy.
The texture is very nice. Let me taste the sauce.
A little flavor.
Gotta pull the keys to leak. Hold on.
Ma, can you make that sauce again?
Oh, she want me to make the special sauce, the secret sauce again. For her sandwiches. I left you some over there if you want it. I left a little extra in that bowl.
Alright, that's it.
And she likes my secret sauce. Tell them you like the secret sauce. It was good. If y'all want that secret sauce, let me know. I do make the secret sauce. And I will ship it out to you if you would like one of my secret sauce for your burgers or your fries or anything that you want. Your chicken wings. I got my special sauce, guys. Alright, so that was my chicken sandwich, guys. Like they say, it was good, it was tasty. Malia's over there waving. She have her own meal going on, guys. We did it was a lot of work, right, Malia? And she had fun with her mommy cooking always. Just like to eat. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy.
For real, for real.
Us in the kitchen making this amazing amazing chicken sandwich. It is the best chicken sandwich I ever made. Okay, so see you guys in the next cooking video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girls. See you in the next video. Say bye, family.
Peace.
Tell them the vlog. See you later, family.
Yeah.